ngatiudza kuti zvafamba sei nhasi makwanisa kufaila nomination court zvafamba zvakadini
shona English
chero yamuri comfortable nayo
ndingangoti a nomination court which was not even necessary. Of course, I'm sure you're aware that I won on the 23rd of August 2023 and this by-election was not even necessary. To me, it's a wastage of state resources. We're supposed to be buying ambulances, we're supposed to be buying medications in hospitals. The roads are in a bad state. So this man which is being channeled to by-election is supposed to be channeled towards the development of the country. So anyhow, in short, the nomination process went on well, and I'm going to repeat, whoever is going to contest me on the 3rd of February, you know that I'm going to win resoundingly come the 3rd of February. Though the by-election was not even necessary.
We have seen that you have filed using the CCC. Yet we know that Tshabangu has been winning against.
I am CCC to the core. I'm sure you know very well my position in the party. I am the one who introduced the party through all the country, including the slogans of the party. So I am a CCC member, one of the leaders of the party. And I'm going to stand, I'm sure, I'll filed successfully. And it comes the 3rd of February, I'll burn the ballot paper, and I'm definitely going to win in resoundingly. This time around, I'm going to double. Because people are very angry that they voted on the 23rd of August, and they're now being asked to vote again. So they're going to vote, but they are very angry if you go to Mukana. In short, I was recalled from Parliament building, but I was not recalled from Koba as a constituency.
Are you not afraid that Tshabangu will buy you from Koba?
I told you clearly, my brother, that I'm sure you were in the court, right? There is only one CCC candidate, and no any other CCC candidate. That can tell you something. I am the candidate of the party, and I'm going to stand on the 3rd of